Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, I can put into tan s and tan s to the power of 6. Next, we have the formula in here. Tan s squared equal to secant of s squared minus number 1. So if we look carefully about this one, that is about secant of s squared minus 1, everything to the power of 2, because this one we can put tan s squared everything to the power of 3. And now we need to transform this one into this one. This one we can put secant of s and secant of s to the power of 6. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to secant of s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equal to secant of s tan s ds. So this one we change by u and we have u squared. This one we change by u and that's about u to the power of 6. Secant of s tan s ds we change by the u. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, this one multiplied by this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now we have the formula in here. So we put number 12 on here and we have 12 plus 1, we have 13. We can do similar for number 10, number 8, and number 6. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.